Comments and observations lang. Misamis Occidental also have a share of the tragedy 2022, December 25. It's a shear line problem. And our experience tells us that the bureaucracy or the paperwork to submit to access for the quick response fund is an equal disaster itself. Parang I think we need to review or streamline the requirements how to access to those funds. Like for example, if we review the damages of one school building, it needs a lot of agencies approval. It belongs to it could avail to access the quick QRF fund. So our experience, we beat the deadline, but yet we beat the deadline, but at the same time, dating ng budget slowly pa rin. But nevertheless, I think all NGOs would agree na medyo tedious yung requirements to access those funds. Kung pwede, ma-review para quick din yung response dapat ng LGU how to access those funds. I think from that note, kailangan ng, again, I'll reiterate it, we need to review those requirements para mabilisan yung access to those funds.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Professor. Yes, please.